Chicken. The chicken is a medium-sized common bird. It is a pet bird. Its feet are short. Its body is broad. Its eyes are small. Its beak is small and pointed. It cannot fly for a long distance. Chicken eats grains and small insects. It also eats fruits, vegetables, and seeds. It is rare for eggs and meat. Its eggs are good for her. Many dishes can be prepared with its eggs. It lives in a group. Female chicken is called hen, and male chicken is called rooster. The rooster wakes up quite early in the morning. It crows loudly